Om. One more time. Take a deep breath. Take a nice deep breath and repeat after me. Om. Okay, now rub your hands slowly. Rub your hands. Place it on your face. Massage your face. Look into your palms. Now, every day from now, we will start our session with chanting of Om, and we will start with the morning prayer. Okay? So, I'll start with the prayer. You should repeat after me. Okay? Again, place your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Now, repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पताञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि आबाहुपुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारणं सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पताञ्जलिम् Oh. Okay. So this is our daily morning prayer. We'll start our yoga with morning prayer. Okay. Then followed with this, we will do warm up. Okay. For warm up, in your seated position, bring your hands forward, all of you. Bring your hands forward like this. Okay. Then we'll start on my count. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now raise your hands on your sides. Keep your hands on sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Namaskar Mudra. Bow your head behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bring your hands forward again. Now we'll do wrist movements. 1, now you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring your hands on your sides. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hands above your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, bring your hands forward. Close your fists. Close your fists. Now, rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring your hands on your sides. Again, wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hands up. Again, rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, point your fingers. Bring it to your shoulders. All of you, point your fingers. Bring it to your shoulders. Okay. Now we'll do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it slowly. Now bring your hands like this and sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now alternate. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Bring your hands on your knees. Keep your hands on your knees. Breathe. Take a couple of deep breaths. Now we'll do neck movements. Okay, we'll start with neck movement. Look up. 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now right, left. Do it slowly. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now right ear, right shoulder. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Now we'll do neck rotation. Okay. First clockwise, rotate your neck. 1, then anti-clockwise. Okay. Then clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. One last time. 1, last time. Chalo. All of you keep your screens on. Let me have a look at you. Keep your screens on. Few people have switched off their screen. Switch on your screens. Switch on your camera. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now all of you stand up. Stand up without taking the support of the floor. Should not push. You should not use. Very good. Very good. Without the support of the floor, you should get up. Very good. Nice. Okay. Now bring your hands forward again. We'll do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bring your hands forward again. Now we'll do sides. 1, come center, 1. And again center, 2, come center, 2, 3, 3. Do it slowly. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Now raise your leg. Raise your right leg forward. Raise your right leg forward. We'll do ankle movements. This is our ankle. Okay. This is ankle. So we'll do ankle movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do all of you properly. Balance your body. Other leg. Now left leg. Keep your hands on your hips. Ankle movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stand straight. Stand straight. Bring your hands on your knees. Bring your hands on your knees. Now we'll do rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stand straight. Remember this posture, this is called as Tadasana. Standing straight, looking straight. Your knees should be closed, your feet should be closed. You're standing erect and straight. It is called as Tadasana. Tada means mountain. Okay. It is called also as mountain pose or Tadasana in Sanskrit. Okay. Now bring your hands on your hips. Keep some distance between your legs. Now hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back center, straight, stand straight now. Breathe normally. During all our classes, your breathing should be only from nose. Okay? Your mouth should be closed and your breathing should be from your nose. Remember that. Okay? Now, raise your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers. Raise your hands up. Look up. Stretch up. Okay? Stretch like this. Stretch on your toes. Okay? I'll give a count. Stay in that pose. Stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back down. Now, once again we'll do that. On your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back down. Hands down. All are feeling fine? If you are okay, say namaskar. Do like this namaskar. Is everything okay? Very good, very good. Very nice. Very nice. Chalo. Now, raise your hands again. Interlock your fingers. Raise your hands again. Now, we'll do sides. 1. Come back center. 2, 3, center. 4, center. Do it slowly. 5, center. Okay. Now drop your hands. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand, only your right hand. Bend towards your left. Bend like this. Look straight and bend towards your left. Your hand should be straight. Okay? Stay in this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Drop your right hand. Raise your left hand. Raise your left hand. Bend towards right. Stay in this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back center. Drop both your hands. Breathe. Breathe normally. Spread your legs now. Spread your legs. Raise your hand. Now, right hand goes to right toe. Okay? Look at me once. Right hand goes to right toe. Look at your fingers. Look at your left hand fingers. Okay? Look at your left hand fingers. Stay in this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Center. Keep your hands at shoulder level. Keep your hands at shoulder level only. Now left side. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, come back center. We'll do it once again. Again, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back center. Again, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come center. Keep your hands at shoulder level only. Now, this time, right hand goes to left toe. Okay? All of you. Together we'll do right hand to left toe. 1. Come center. 2. Center. 3. Center. 4. Center. 5. Center. 6. Center. Chalo. Come back straight. Stand straight. Sit down now. All of you sit down. Keep your breathing normal. Breathe normally. Breathe from your nose. Take deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Morning air is very fresh, so we need lot of oxygen for our lungs. So breathe as much as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, today we will learn, after Tadasana, we will learn Vajrasana. Okay? All of you, come on your knees. On your knees. And sit down. Your legs should be straight and you should be seated this way. This is called as Vajrasana. Okay, sit down like this. Keep any carpet or a cloth underneath whenever you are doing yoga. It is very important. Some cloth should be there or mat should be there. Very important. Okay. Sit down. Raise your hand. Do Namaskar Mudra. Raise your hand. And bend forward. Bend forward. And breathe. Stay in this posture till the time I give the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now raise up. Very good, very good. Nice. Very good. Okay. Once again, lean forward. 1. Stay in the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Center. Drop your hands. Keep on your knees. Keep your hands on your knees. Look straight and breathe. Breathe normally. Keep your back straight. Your back should be straight. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now, all of you, sit down normally. Sit down. Okay, now we'll do pranayam. Breathing exercise is called as pranayam. Okay, it is very good for our lungs. It brings lot of oxygen in our body. It cleanses our breath. Okay, so first today we will do Nadi Shuddhi. Nadi is nostril. Your nose nostrils are called as Nadi. Shuddhi means cleaning. Okay, so we will do Nadi Shuddhi today. So how to do that? First, take your fingers like this. Close your index finger and your middle finger. If you can see in the camera, see properly. Okay. Now, with this, your thumb should go on your right nose. Your thumb should go on your right nose and the other finger should go on your left nostril. Okay. So now, first we will close our right nostril. Okay. And we will breathe. Keep your other finger in Sin Mudra. This is called as Sin Mudra. Okay sign, what we will do like this. Okay sign we do. It's called as Sin Mudra. Keep your other hand like this. With your right thumb, close your right nostril. Take a deep breath from your left nostril. Close it with your finger left and breathe out from your right nostril. Then breathe in from your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb and breathe out from your left nostril. Once again, breathe in from your left nostril. Close. Breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Close your right. Breathe out from left. Okay. This is called as Nadi Shuddhi. So we will do this 6 times. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. That is 1 round. So total 6 rounds we will do. Okay. Chalo, all together. We'll start from inhaling through right. Remember, only breathing should be from your nostril. Don't open your mouth. Okay? Don't use your mouth for breathing. Keep doing it. Let me have a look at you on the screen. Very good, very good. Do all of you should do. This is very important. Pranayam is the most important thing in yoga. All should do. Breathe. Keep your fingers like this, right? You should close. Breathe from left, then close, then exhale. Then breathe, close. Okay? Keep doing. Very good. I hope all of you understood. Okay? This is Sin Mudra. Your other hand should be in your Sin Mudra. The other hand you are using for your Nadi Shuddhi. Okay? After 6 rounds, finish the round and sit normally. Sit down. Control your breathing. Control your breathing normally. Now we will, as we start our prayer, start our session with the prayer, we will also close our session with the prayer. Okay? So all of you, keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra and repeat after me. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यताग्निः दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्या स्वरूपान्ता शारदा प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूर्यये सच्चित् सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामी नेतापहारिणे सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। Rub your hands, massage your face. Okay, so this was our today's session, your yoga class. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow at the same time, 6:30 in the morning. Okay, if anyone has any doubts, they can post it in the group and we will reply to your doubts. Okay? Thank you. Namaskar. Have a wonderful day. Jai Ramakrishna.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.